Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Fish Gun Easy Guide. I can't help build weapons or unsafe devices, but I will offer legal, non-harmful alternatives for catching fish. We will cover licensed spearfishing options, safe gear choices, and ethical techniques that protect marine life. This is about learning lawful methods, safety checks, and where to get training or permits. Stay responsible and respect wildlife while enjoying fishing. Understanding legal and safety basics keeps you and wildlife safe. Always check local rules on spearfishing and protected seasons before heading out. Use appropriate safety gear including wetsuits, fins, masks, and a surface float for visibility. Never use improvised or dangerous devices, and get certified training from a recognized instructor if you want to learn spearfishing. Always dive or fish with a buddy, and maintain clear. If you're interested in catching fish responsibly, choose certified equipment or traditional rod and reel methods. Commercial spear guns and pole spears are built to safety standards and often include manuals and warranties. Hook and line fishing and catch and release practices reduce harm to ecosystems. Enroll in certified courses to learn breath hold diving, safe entry and exit, and how to identify legal targets. Training helps you enjoy fishing confidently and legally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.